climate scientists have modelled various possible future scenarios to assess how different choices and actions may affect the Earth's climate. They're designed to give an indication of the impact that changes in our behaviour would have on our future. In the projections section, we include 5 of the scenarios. That gives us a good representation of how much our future depends on the amount of greenhouse gas we emit. They have complex technical names, but essentially they refer to the amount of emissions we produce over time. So they're also known as very low, low, medium, high, and very high. Very low is the scenario with the biggest emission reductions. Here, the world takes a more sustainable path with lower energy consumption, phasing out fossil fuels, and less reliance on material growth. We managed to reach net zero emissions by 2050. This limits the warming the most. By 2100, globally, the average temperatures are kept within our 1.5 degree target. Low is like the previous scenario, but not quite as successful. We reach net zero by 2075, leading to average global temperatures reaching around 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels by 2100. Medium is much closer to the path which we've been on recently, with some places making more progress than others to improve sustainability. Carbon dioxide emissions fall, but don't reach net zero by 2100. Global average temperatures reach about 3 degrees above pre-industrial levels by that time. In the high scenario, regions compete for energy and food goals with large inequalities. Environmental issues are a low priority. In this scenario, compared to pre-industrial times, carbon dioxide levels double by 2100. This is currently considered a worst-case scenario that is unlikely unless recent progress is reversed. Very high was considered the worst-case scenario until about 15 years ago. Since then, most experts think this is no longer possible due to our continued progress in emission reductions. It's included here to give an interesting illustration of how much progress we've made and what could have happened if we'd ignored climate change. So, which path do you think we'll end up taking? See what could happen to the planet's climate as each scenario plays out.